Windows can't find the Starttiledata Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we start the Starttiledata library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Starttiledata library, the Starttiledata layer. It manages the localized database and visual state of the Windows live tiles and the pinned application manifest in the Start menu. Corruption causes the Start menu to appear blank or leads to the critical error, "Your Start menu isn't working" pop-up. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Starttiledata Library DLL. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Starttiledata Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please use caution. Replacing Starttiledata Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Starttiledata Library dependencies. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Starttiledata Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.